Hey guys, welcome to my another video. In this video, we will learn how to add MP3 or MP4 in our websites. So, let's jump into the video. So first we have to know what is MP3 and MP4. MP3 is an audio format and MP4 is a video format. So let's try to add an audio in our website first. For that, we have to type audio controls inside curly bracket. Then, move to the next line and write source. Space, src, equal, double quotation, inside curly bracket. Then, we have to upload an MP3 file into this platform. For that, move to the top left and click on this 3 dots. Then simply select the file that you want to add in your website. Wait for the file to upload. Then move inside the double quotation and write the name of your file that you can see there, like this. Then run the code. And move to the new tab. See, we have successfully learned how to add MP3 or audio in our website. Because we have video controls tag, this tag is giving us download, playback speed, pause option and sound option. Now let's try to add a M4 or video in our website. For that, remove the code and use video controls tag. Then move to the next line and use the same source src tag, like this. Then upload MP4 file using the same process. Then, wait for the file to upload. When the upload is complete, move inside the double quotation and write the file's name. Then, we have to give a size of our video. So, move to the video controls tag, come after controls and type height equal double quotation, and inside the quotation, enter the height of the video. For me, I am giving the height 500 and the width 300, like this. Now let's run the code. Now, the video controls tag has give us playback speed, pause option, sound option, download option, and picture-in-picture option. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe. Bye.